Hello, today I will show you how to make an e-commerce website using Google Sheets. First, go to Google Sheets and create a spreadsheet. Add another sheet. Rename the first sheet as Products and second as Orders. Keep spelling the same as I did. Add these row names in Products sheet. And in Orders sheet, add these rows. But keep spelling the same. You can copy these from description. Now click on Share and give access to anyone with the link. Copy the link. Create a new API in SheetDB and paste your Google Sheets link. Copy the API key. Paste it in both files. You can set admin login details here. Let's run it. It currently has no products. Let's add products from admin panel. Log in with the credentials you set in admin.html. Here you can add, edit, or delete a product. Let's add a product. Refresh the store page and your product will be there. Now let's place an order and see it in Google Sheets. Now let's check that in Google Sheets. Here we got the details. DM me on Telegram for source code.